Hello everyone, this is GK class 6th. Today's topic is science cartoons. A cartoon is a humorous drawing with a strong message.
Some issues are very delicate and sensitive, but awareness has to be created in front of the public. Cartoons are one of the best methods to create awareness. Cartoons attract our attention very fast. People may not read long messages and columns in the magazines and newspapers, but something depicted in the form of cartoons easily attracts the attention of all. Students, kindly open page number 15, chapter 11, Science Cartoons. Our world is facing many problems like forest fire, global warming, excessive hunting, deforestation, over-medication, forest conservation, which is affecting not only our life and will also affect the next generation. Students, let's discuss in more detail all these issues one by one. You must have heard about forest fire that broke out in Australia in December last year. Australia's bushfire are the worst in the country's recorded history. Already millions of acres have burned, creating dangerous level of air pollution, displacing nearly 90,000 people and killing a billion animals. Forest fire increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and climate change. In addition, ashes destroy much of the nutrients and erode the soil, causing flooding and landslides. How to prevent wildfires? Be careful with fire. Never play with matches and lighters. Ask your parents not to park the car in dry and high grass. Ask the adults not to smoke in nature. Don't make fire near dry shrubs and trees.
Global warming is the increase in Earth's temperature because of the effect of greenhouse gases like chlorofluorocarbon, methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, etc. These gases absorb long-wave radiations and warm the atmosphere, and this process is called greenhouse effect. It has led to many changes on the planet, such as rise in sea level, increased humidity, change in the timings of seasonal events, and many others.
Excessive hunting. Since the 17th century, excessive hunting is recorded as the third most notorious cause of animal extinction. The World Wide Fund reports that overhunting is responsible for 23% of extinctions. Many humans are forcing animals into extinction by overconsuming them or killing them for economic gains. Overhunting has increased because of personal gain. They hunted for skin, leather, fur, feathers, tusk, ivory, etc. Multiple factors, either of human or natural origin, cause deforestation. Direct causes of deforestation are agricultural expansion, wood extraction, mining, harvesting, and infrastructure expansion such as road building and urbanization. Over-medication is an overutilization of medication, wherein a patient takes unnecessary or excessive medications. Who feel that they are over-medicated tend to not to follow their physician's instructions for taking their medication. Did you know that forests are called the lungs of the environment? They are the factory of oxygen and various other very important natural resources. Can human live without their lungs? Similarly, the environment too would not survive without forest. Let us take a look at forest conservation. Forest conservation, as the name suggests, is the preservation and the protection of forest. The preservation of all natural resources is absolutely essential for the balance of our ecosystem. Now students, we can answer these questions.
To protect our own race, we will go for mass demonstration in front of the parliament. Mass demonstration, but only 3 of us are left. Which message is conveyed by this cartoon? This is excessive hunting. Now come to the second cartoon. 100 dead, many injured and 10 burnt alive. Which message does this cartoon conveys? This is forest fire. Yes. Next come to the third. Excuse me, sir. Is that a plastic pointer in your hand? Which message is conveyed by this cartoon? Yes, this is forest conservation. Come to the fourth one. Oh, there is rust in your skin. You are prescribed daily iron tablets for me. Which message is conveyed by this cartoon? Yes, over medication. Come to the fifth. Year 2060, polar bear at risk. Oh God, these cruel humans, they rendered me landless. Which message does this cartoon convey? This is global warming. Come to sixth question. Cutting of trees strictly prohibited by law. Which message does this cartoon convey? Yes, this one is deforestation.
Now students, write down the answer. Excessive hunting, forest fire, forest conservation, over medication, global warming, and last one, deforestation. Thank you students and have a nice